Erin, how do I ask my sweetie for what I need? Erin, how do I ask my elderly parents for what I need? Erin, how do I ask my employer, my coworkers, my team lead in my career, my job? How do I ask for what I need? This comes up often in my private coaching sessions and as well as in the workshops that I teach. So it's a hot topic, and I'm going to share with you the process I share with my workshop participants and my private coaching clients. It's a 4-step process. What I want you to do is, if you're going to watch the video, whole point of this is to increase the likelihood of getting your needs met and decrease conflict. That's it. What I want you to do is take this 4-step process to a person that you would like to practice this with, but do this when things are good between you, when things are peaceful. Trying to introduce this concept when you're already in an argument or a conflict is literally impossible. So if you're going to try this maybe for anywhere from 14 to 30 days. Give it a try, see what happens. So here they are, the 4 steps. I learned this from Dr. Marshall Rosenberg, PhD, Doctor of Psychology, and from his book, Nonviolent Communication, A Language for Living. It's a brilliant book. If you like to read, pick it up. It's well worth your time. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Step 1, you share an observation about something that is bothering you, and where you have a need or an expectation or a limit or a boundary, something like that that's been cooking. For example, your sweetheart leaves their clothes on the bedroom floor every day when they get undressed, and it's driving you bananas. So you share an observation with your sweetheart. You say, honey, I notice at the end of the day, very often the clothes that you've been wearing end up on the bedroom floor. That's it. That's an observation. It is factually true. There's no judgment. There's no evaluation statements. You simply shared an observation. It is difficult to argue with a neutral observation like this one. They're either there or they're not. Okay? So step 2, you're going to share a feeling that you have about this. Are you frustrated? Are you overwhelmed? Are you angry? Are you saddened by this? You're going to share a feeling, an emotion about this. Observation followed by emotion. When I notice that the clothes are on the bedroom floor, I feel frustrated. Again, I'm not going off and giving a soliloquy or many paragraphs of my thoughts about this. It's a simple short observation followed by a simple short statement of how the thing you're observing makes you feel. Next, you're going to share a general need. I need your help to keep the bedroom tidy because when it is untidy in the bedroom at night, I feel stressed out and I have a harder time falling asleep. Simple. You've just asked for their help to keep the bedroom serene, calm, and tidy. Now you're going to follow this step 4 with a specific request. Sweetie, can you please put your clothes in the laundry hamper after you're done with them for the day? Period. Full stop. That's it. String them all together. Honey, I notice that often at the end of the day, your clothes land on the bedroom floor. I feel frustrated about this because I need you to help me to keep the bedroom tidy so that I'm not feeling anxious at the end of the day because that messes with my sleep. Can you please put your clothes in the laundry hamper when you're done with them? That's it. That's the 4 steps. Share this with your people. Try it for 14 to 30 days and let me know the results you get. If you got questions, hit me in the comments. Take care now, y'all.